Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your ISP account and modem is active. This prevents wasted steps later. Once confirmed, plug the Sky router into power and connect it to the modem with the Ethernet cable. Make sure the modem is powered on first. You should position the router centrally and elevated for even coverage and keep 1/2 meter clearance from large metal objects. Keep your admin password and desired Wi-Fi name ready. They speed up the initial configuration when the lights stabilize. Once the router is reachable, connect your laptop by Ethernet for stability or use the default Wi-Fi printed on the label. Open the router admin page using the provided IP address. Log in with the default credentials. You must immediately change the admin password for security, then set your SSID and a strong WPA2 or WPA3 passphrase. Make sure to save and apply changes. The router may reboot. While waiting, note the guest network option and enable it if you want isolated access for visitors. To finish, run a speed test and verify multiple devices can browse. This confirms both connection and performance. Update the router firmware, enable the built-in firewall, and set automatic restarts during low-use hours to maintain stability. Make sure DHCP range and parental controls match your household needs. If you encounter no internet, restart the modem and router in sequence, recheck Ethernet and coax connections, and verify ISP service. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.